Welcome back to Playdays Collectibles channel from Whittier, California, and today is Friday, guys. TGIF to you. Yes, it's early, show and tell, and guess what? I found my glasses. Remember that from a long time ago? They're all Hot Wheel related. Look, bling, bling, bling. Anyways, guys, hopefully you're awake. Wake up, smell the Hot Wheels, or hopefully you went do your Hot Wheel exercise. Anyways, got some unboxing to do today for TGIF Friday. Let's do it, guys. All right. Guess what? I got something from Mattel, and there it is. It says Mattel right here. Got wet because of the rain, guys, but it's all right. We can do it. Safety first, like always, kids. Let all your parents open boxes, or your neighbors, as long as they're adults. Alright, guys, see what's in here. Yeah, that's a big time now. Golf. What? The truck? Oh my god. They didn't even charge me. But let me tell you guys a story about this. I was trying to check out for the golf truck, and it kicked me out when it was in my shopping cart. It said it couldn't calculate the tax. So I did complain to Mattel, consumers, whatever, customer care. And after 2 weeks of battling by email, they finally said they're gonna send me one. But that was like last week. How could they send it so fast? I guess I do have customer service now that is good. Like, not like before. I used to complain and they never got a response. But guess what? I got it. I thought it was gonna be the Nissan Skyline. But I guess not. Check it out, guys. Woo-hoo. Wow. Let's look at the back. And let's open up, guys. Who cares? I mean, why not enjoy your stuff? Let it breathe, remember the rule? We live for this. Why not enjoy and smell it? It smells like Gulf oil. Wow, it smells like racing. It smells like a Raptor, actually. There it is, guys. Check it out. What do you guys like? Awesome, right? I think I'm gonna keep it. Not for sale. It's official, guys. It's gonna be in my collection right here in the back, where I keep all my good stuff that I like. Definitely, I'm gonna keep it. Now that I see it in my hands, nothing opens. Check it out. Oh, the back tailgate opens, guys. There it is. This is gonna go in my case. So, guys, don't ask me, please. No texts, no emails. Don't wait for me at my house. I'm not gonna sell it to you. So, let's put it away. It was nice of Mattel. So it's worth it, guys. If you guys get any issues or errors or whatever, screenshot it, send it to Mattel and complain. Look at me. It wasn't my fault. The computer just said it couldn't calculate the tax. By the time I tried to buy it again, it said sold out. So it wasn't my fault. And luckily I screenshot everything. So I sent it to them by email, and they investigated and they said it was the truth, that they messed up. Anyways, what do we have here? Let's shake it. Sounds like Cheerios. Let's see, guys. Let's open it up. Excited right here. So it's good to open like sealed stuff. Alright. So they're probably the same. So I'm gonna open one box on it. We'll see if it has a chase actually. If it doesn't have the chase, I'm gonna have to open the other one. I see green. I'll just show it to you guys. Here it is. It's the golf truck from Green Light. It says Mijo exclusive. You will not find this at the store. So don't go to Hobby Lobby or Walmart or any other store or Target. You won't find it. But since you guys are watching, let's do this too. Let's open one up. Safety first. Put it next to the Raptor. Oh, it's hard. It's a tough one. Doesn't want to breathe. Doesn't want to breathe. All right, guys. Whoa. beautiful truck and color. Look at the back. Look at the little detail in there. That's awesome. Hey, you know what? This is not a bad idea. Maybe I can make trade bodies on this, make them more lifted, right? What do you guys think? Awesome view. How often do you see this in your hands? You know, made them breathe. Now they're alive, and it smells like Gulf oil. Just kidding. All right, guys. So we'll leave it here for now. So you guys can enjoy the view in the background. All right, let's find the chase, okay? Oh, I see green. Oh, there it is, the baby. Yeah. Green, green, green. That's the chase, guys. Remember that. You can only get it through Mijo exclusive stuff, and I'm glad I have this. You never know, I might open it and put it in my case. So far there's some goodies there. Alright, let's go to the next box. This is a big one. Safety first, remember that. And of course, no running, no jumping, no climbing, no fighting. Alright, check it out. Alright, let's see what's in here, guys. Open one box so we find our chase piece. Ooh, yeah. This is the new dualies. Well, second run actually, series 2. Look at that color. American flags, right? That's a nice one. I might even open one for myself. Here we have the, wow, this fire? Wow. This is like a cool one too. I never seen that. Wow, that's nice. You guys see it? I like that one. I'm gonna open one for myself. Why not do it right now, guys? Let's do it so you could know how they look in your hand. Ooh, that's a fresh smell, guys. Mmm, yummy. Alright, check it out. Fires are, I guess, a fire department, New York, I guess. Look at that. It's cool. Now it's mine. That's not for sale. I'm just gonna go in my case probably. Open one of these. Kids, safety first, remember that. Let your parents open this stuff. Never use a sharp object. Alright, there it is, guys. I think it says USA or something on the side. It's an awesome piece. It looks like the real thing. Very good detail. I like this in the back. Looks awesome. Alright, let's check it out. Open another one. Look at that yellow. Ooh, Bumblebee. This is well, what is this? Ram truck? Ram 1500. Open that up, guys. Let them breathe. Of course, for your safety. It's fresh. I like this one too. All the construction guys, come and get them. Or if you want to pull a trailer, there it is, the hitch. Nice piece, right? Alright, put them in the back right here. Man, how many did they come in the series? Look, this is a nice one too, another Dodge. Let's open it up, guys. You have to have fun once in a while, so enjoy your life, guys. Look at that. Two-tone color. Nice. Wow. That's an awesome piece, guys. Alright. Okay. Ooh, we found the cheese. I'm not going to open this one. I was already going to open it. It says Bigfoot on the side, guys. That's awesome piece. Chase. Look at that green on the bottom. Pretty cool. Definitely keep in the package. Got one more in here. New York Police Department, dually. This is a Ford F-350 Lariat NYPD 2019 Ford, actually. Let them breathe. We have to have fun, guys. Especially on a Friday. Look at that. Awesome, man. This is cool. I'm keeping a set for myself because I do like this color scheme, guys. So in the future, do not ask to sell to because it's going to be mine. I'm going to put it in my case that says not for sale. Alright, guys. And I guess that's it because all the boxes are going to be the same. I just wanted to thank the guy from yesterday, the Alpina designer. He said he was willing to allow me to drive his real car of this car in France if I was to go visit him. Of course, you know, you never know. I might go take up on his offer and do a video. Alright, guys. Also, the new 944 Porsche is coming out on the, I think it's B case. Yeah. So let's open one up. Let it breathe. Needs a nice rim shop. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa, guys, that's nice. Oh, smells like Thailand or something. Alright, well, guys, check it out.
It does drop it.
Thank you for visiting this channel. As always, safety first. Adios.